The detection area is the area where the hands are detected by the sensor and the water course is started. It can be set with 20 different levels. The factory setting is generally suitable for all of our fittings. For example, if the water flow starts even though the hands are not yet under the outlet, this can be fine-tuned using the remote control. Therefore, please connect the remote control with the fitting. Select the menu item Configuration. Use the arrow keys to set the controller at wide detection range, between 0 and 19. 0 corresponds, for example, for washstands 7 cm distance from the sensor, and 19 corresponds to 20 cm. Scroll all the way down with the arrow keys to transfer the new setting data to the fitting by pressing Send. The detection range can be optimally adjusted so that no water is wasted. In fact, reflections from safety vests can also start the water course. If this is the case, it may be advisable to reduce the detection area to the minimum.